Okay, let's just move to chapter 9. So, chapter 10, chapter 9. Wait. Oh, chapter 9 already covered. Now we are going to chapter 10. Okay. Chapter 10 is about salesperson compensation and incentive. Okay. So this is the outline. These are things that we wanted to focus on. First one is component and objective of financial compensation plan. Second one is about straight salary, straight commission and combination plan. Sale contest, non-financial reward, expense account, and deciding on the most appropriate mix and level of compensation. So the whole idea of this chapter is about compensation. It could be salary, it could be commission, or whatever benefit that salesperson can have. Okay, this is the first part. So altogether, we have like 6 sub-components of this chapter. So the first one is about component and objective of financial compensation plan. So for Salesforce, they have few benefit in terms of financial, not only limited to the salary. Okay, so generally, this textbook give you like 5 categories of compensation. The first one is salary, second one commission, third is bonus, sale contest and benefit. So salary motivate effort on non-sale activity, adjust for different in trajectory potential and reward experience and competence. So when discussing about Salesforce, salary is for non-selling activities. Okay, non-selling activity in which commission is based on selling activities. Okay, and also bonus is direct effort towards strategic objective. If, for example, they achieve more and align with what the company want, most likely they will get extra. It provide additional reward for top performers and encourage sales success. So commission actually is a level of commission, encourage sales success. Bonus actually is on top of commission. Meaning to say, we have maybe all the sales force already perform, but there is one that is excellence. Okay, so that particular person probably have bonus, or maybe they also give like some proportionate bonuses to depending on your percentage of your performance. Can be done too. And also say contest is stimulate additional effort targeted at specific short-term objective. This is also happened when I worked last time. The company also give us sale contest. In 1 month, we try to secure, we call it jualan runcit, meaning that we try to secure quotation less than 10,000 in 1 month. And within that time, basically everybody try to get that kind of quotation and try to fulfill. If someone win, like one of my friend, he received vacation voucher. Okay, company sponsored. So that is also another way of compensation. Another benefit, satisfy people's security need, match competitive offers. This is more to, for example, like medical coverage, promotion entitlement, other than salary and all of this lah. We also have what I call the compensation, perk and benefit. Okay. First one, we are going to look at straight salary, straight commission, and combination plan. So when we are discussing about straight salary, is when compensating new sales rep when firm move into new sales territory that require development work, when sales rep must perform many non-sale activities. This is the time where normally a company don't really have a business yet. This is the time to set up. Okay, because once you start a new business, you cannot get the money immediately. Sometimes it may take like 3 months. After that, only you will get your first sale. So during that time, majority of company will practice straight salary. And the advantage is provide sales rep with maximum security, gives sales manager more control over sales rep, and is easy to administer, yield more predictable selling expenses. So by having this, actually, we can say sales force has feeling secure, even though they don't have sale yet, but they have a secure income from company. The disadvantage provide no incentive, necessity closer supervision of sales rep activity during sales decline. Salary expect remain at the same level. This is also another issues when we just go for straight salary where some of excellent sales rep may feel bored because they already make sale from the beginning, but the payment they only have the straight salary. Okay, second one is straight commission. When highly aggressive selling is required, when non-selling tasks are minimized, when company cannot closely control sales force activities. This is happen when you have many of excellent sales force in the organization, in the company. So you don't need to give lots of things to them, but they will bring lots of sales providing you just prepare the commission for them. There are some of the company that come or fall under this category. It provides maximum incentive by increasing commission rate. Sales manager can encourage rep to sell certain item, selling expenses related directly to selling resources. Okay, in terms of disadvantage, sales rep have little financial security. Sales manager has minimum control over sales force. May cause rep to provide inadequate service to smaller accounts. Selling costs are less predictable. So this is the pro and cons. If you go for straight commission, it is good, but manager don't have control over their sales force. Okay, because sales force can demand at this time. Sales force can demand. Okay, however, there are some insecurity if sales rep relying on straight commission because there are times that maybe there is no sale. If no sale, meaning that they almost have zero salary. If the company is straight to going for straight commission, so they will get like minimum salary. And there are some that have a combination when sales territory have relatively similar sale potential when firm wishes to provide incentive but say control sales force activities. So when I worked last time, my company was doing this combination. We have straight salary and we also have some commission on top of our salary. So it balance. It is not like too much of commission and not too much of the straight salary. And it provides certain level of financial security, provides some incentive, selling spend fluctuate when sales revenue, sales manager has some control over rep and non-selling activities. So this is good too, meaning to say that the manager can give or provide the sales rep with a balance of non-sale and selling activities. Actually, both are needed by the company. And selling expenses are less predictable, may be difficult to administer. Even in combination, it's quite difficult to predict the sale. Okay. The third one is about sale contest. Sale contests are short-term incentive program designed to motivate personnel to accomplish a specific sale objective. Although contests should be considered part of firm ongoing compensation plan, they offer salesperson the opportunity to gain financial as well as non-financial such as reward and contests. Okay, so this is some of typo. So sale contest, like I already mentioned earlier, normally it is a short term, like 1 month, and everybody have to really work very hard to achieve the contest. The reason why company doing this normally, depending on the situation too, if the industry permitted for the company to do that, they will do that. Because industry also it rely on big account and small account. So if that company feel that at that particular time, majority of their customer will release only a small amount of purchase, for example. So the company can do that. How the manager decide? Basically, it based on the marketing analysis. Because at management side, normally they already have the analysis of the industry. They know what's going on, what is the best time to give sales contest. And most of the time during sales contest, like everybody is trying their very best to achieve the quota or probably better so that they can receive the reward. And in order to have a successful contest, the content should be clearly defined and specific objective. If, for example, like my case last time, it is about quotation purchase 10,000 and below. If it is 10,000 and above, basically that particular transaction is not qualified or is not valid for this contest. And they should also have an exciting theme, because theme, for example, is only from government, it's only from non-government, it's only for GLC. So this kind of thing, government link company, yeah. So this kind of thing actually bring more excitement and make the salesperson more creative in dealing with their customer. And reasonable probability of reward for all salesperson. This is also possible. Like last time when we had a contest, the company made a contest. One excellent sales force get the voucher, vacation voucher. But to those who are less excellent, not achieving the number one, but they have a ranking, this kind of people, they will receive another voucher. It's like purchasing, if you wanted to purchase some product, then you get some voucher, things like that. And the reward should be attractive. Okay, must be attractive and must know what motivate sales personnel. And like us last time, we also are sponsored for from our supplier in terms of cash, mostly in terms of cash. Therefore, based on cash, there's a lot of things that can be translated into reward for this contest. And there are some possibility of promotion and follow through also. Meaning to say that once this particular salesperson already excellent, so what next step for this person? What is his path or her path in the future? So because excellent salesperson, receiving one reward is one thing, but in the long term also, the management has to really think about. It is not about one time reward after that. Okay, even though that particular person already like really good, performing really well, but the company just ignore whatever he's doing. So it is not right. Okay, the fourth part is about non-financial reward. So non-financial report, another way is management position or more advanced position in sales force. So management position, maybe from normal executive, they can become the sales manager. They can become sales manager for another branch. They will become sales manager for other department. Can be done. And it can be also more advanced position within the sales force, meaning to say that in sales workforce, in my company last time, we have sales manager, we have sales marketing director, we have sales manager. Down there, manager, we have two, marketing manager and sales manager, two department. And then down there, we will have, they call it account manager. That is the most senior executive. And we have senior executive and we have executive. And we have telemarketing. So telemarketing, telesales. So basically, even though in a department, it still have layers. It start with telemarketing, telesale, followed by executive, followed by senior executive, followed by account manager, and after that only sales manager. So advancing from one position to another is also considered as non-financial reward. Expenses account. We must remember that sales personnel, normally they always on the go. They are the people who always on the road. Okay, they travel a lot. Like me last time, sometimes some of our sales force claims more than their own straight salary. So the thing now, how much the company wanted to reimburse back. So expense item incurred by sales rep in the field, such as travel, lodging, or hotel, or accommodation, meal, and entertaining customers. Those are the things that general classification of expenses. So for me last time, all of these is under my reimbursement plan too. And many firms has experience with variety of expenses reimbursement plan. There's a lot of way where people can claim back. Reimbursement plan is about claim back the expenses that they already spent from the company for the sake of work. Okay. These are the type of expenses reimbursement plan. First, they will have a direct reimbursement plan, meaning to say that if your accommodation 150, they will claim 150. If your traveling expenses 2,000, so you can claim 2,000. Limited reimbursement plan. When the company started to put limit, for example, if you are executive, your lodging should be not more than 100. If you are executive, your rate not more than 150. If you are account manager, your rate not more than 200. Things like that. So it become limited. And then same thing with fuel. Some company you just give the direct fuel. Sometimes they go based on mileage. Pembatuan. There are some company also don't give any reimbursement plan. But normally for this plan, the commission very high. There are some of the industry, some company don't give any reimbursement, but they assume that you at the end will bring in a very huge sale in which everything of your commission will be covered in here. Either it is, if you feel like fair or not fair, it depends on the, if you sign the agreement between you and the company when you join the company. Okay, this is about deciding the most appropriate mix and level of compensation. So, the company actually has the option how to mix their compensation. Okay. It is important to know that it is the dangers of paying salesperson too much sum. Meaning to say you allow so much off claim also not good. Sometimes they just claim, but they don't bring anything back to the company. And if paying too little also is not good in a way that the sales personnel probably will withdraw themselves from the company or they just run away from the company. And if this happen, okay, the company need to do some changing in the compensation plan. That's why majority of the company normally, they will give the restriction of compensation plan, restriction of reimbursement. Meaning to say that it is like fair enough, we give, but if you want extra, you pay it yourself. For example, like accommodation, company already give like one night 150, but you yourself feeling like, yes, I wanted to go for 250 room, then the remaining of 100 you pay yourself. So this kind of compensation plan normally is available in the company. Even like me working in university also have our own compensation plan. And that's it for chapter 10. And I will stop recording first.